15th one, write a Python program to read a given CSV file as a list here. Okay, so we have to convert the comma separated value. CSV file nothing but comma separated value into a list here. Okay, we have to convert the comma separated file into a list here. Simple one. For that we have to import CSV for that. So I added this one CSV file here, employee.csv file. Okay, this CSV file we have to convert it to the text file here. Okay, this employee ID first name we will convert it to the list here. Okay, so for that we have to import CSV, okay, and with open function, same with open the file name emp.csv. okay, emp.csv, which mode, new line here. Okay, we have to write new line here, simple name space simple one as f. Okay, simple f here, and store in value. We have to read the file now. We have to read some data from the emp.csv. For that we have to use a reader. Okay, reader function is there. So reader function csv file and the name. Okay, what is the name? File name f here. Okay, f name and boolean string here, and csv.reader fn, and we have to convert this data into list here. Okay, some x is equal to just list data. Okay, how to convert list? You know, x is equal list into data. Just print x, simple print x. Just check the output. See, we have converted this into the list format. Employee ID, email 100. Okay, king 500. Check the CSV doesn't matter, comma separated values here. Your reader function is there. See, your reader function reads the file from the CSV reader. Okay, return object is iterator, right? And new line is here, open. New line string none equal none. New line is nothing but, see, these are modes are the read mode, write mode, x, create a new file. Okay, you can check everything here. Okay, simple one. New line, empty space here given. Okay, new line. Okay, so that's it. There are so many files are there. This is simple file reader. And also, so if you finish practicing these 15 exercises, if you know these 15 exercises, there's another 22 exercises given for practice. This 22. So explanation for this 22 is given in my Python tutorial. Another tutorial, Python tutorial is there. You can check there, and solutions as given to this 22 also. Okay, so that's about the file handling. Just practice. Okay.